Saudi Arabia? Answer is Riyadh. Last name the following. The gateway to Makkah and Medina. Answer is Jeddah. Jeddah. All these answers, all these names the following are clear, children? Okay, now what is your homework? I'm rubbing. Now I'm writing your homework. Your homework is to complete book exercises. First, read the chapter. Then complete book exercises. Do the activities given them. Note down the question answers. In your copy. You have to note down the questions neatly. Children, do your work in neat handwriting. Is it clear? Okay. Hello children, I'm again. Now, I will explain you social studies, chapter 7, Saudi Arabia, the land of sand. In last video, I explained chapter 6, Greenland. Now, our next chapter is Saudi Arabia, the land of sand. I hope that you all have done the exercises of last chapter, Greenland, and question answers I will send you in PDF with this video. Question answers of chapter 6 as well as of chapter 7 I will send you in PDF with this video. Saudi Arabia, the land of sand. We have learned that a desert has an unbearable climate. There are two types of deserts: hot deserts, cold deserts. Deserts are dry and they seldom receive rainfall. In this chapter, let us study about the Great Arabian Desert situated in Saudi Arabia. Now, location and land surface. Saudi Arabia lies in the Middle East. It lies between the Red Sea and the Persian Gulf. It is also a part of the Arabian Peninsula, which is the largest peninsula in the world. Yemen, Oman, Jordan, UAE, Iran, Kuwait and Qatar are the neighboring countries of Saudi Arabia. The Tropic of Cancer passes through this country. Saudi Arabia is a vast rocky plateau, mostly covered with sand. Most of the country is a barren desert. Rab al Khali in the south and Nafud in the north are continuous bodies of sand. Sand dunes are also found here. Strong winds shift the sand dunes from one place to another. Saudi Arabia has no permanent rivers or lakes. During occasional heavy rains, dry valleys called wadis get filled with water temporarily. Hence, there is an acute shortage of fresh water in the country. Now, climate and vegetation. The climate of Saudi Arabia is extremely hot and dry. It hardly receives any rainfall. Whenever it rains, the water evaporates quickly. due to the extreme heat. Strong and dusty winds blow at a great speed. Summer temperature reaches up to 54 degrees Celsius. So now you can have an idea that how hot Saudi Arabia is. However, the nights are cool and pleasant. In winters, the days are warm, but the nights are very cold. The coastal regions remain hot and humid. As mountains of Asir receive moderate rainfall of 30 to 50 centimeters, but the rest of the country receives less than 10 centimeters of annual rainfall. Sandstorms occur frequently. Major part of Saudi Arabia is barren, therefore only a few plants grow here. The desert plants have long roots which go deep into the earth in search of water. Acacia and date palms are the common trees of Saudi Arabia. Its vegetation also consists of thorny bushes, shrubs and cacti. There are some green areas in the desert where palm trees and grasses grow. Such a green area is called an oasis. An oasis is a place where the underground water comes to the surface. Now we will talk about the animals. The camel. The camel is called the ship of the desert. As it is the most useful animal of the deserts, it is well adapted to the desert conditions. For many days it can survive without food and water. Its padded feet help it to walk and run on the sand. Animals like wolves, hyenas, scorpions, snakes, etc. are found in the mountainous highlands. So children, about animals. Now it is clear about the animals. Camel is called the ship of the desert because it can survive without water for many days, and its padded feet help it run on the sand. The other animals like wolves, hyenas, scorpions, snakes, etc. are also found in the mountainous highlands. Now economic activities. About economic activities. Farms have been developed by mixing soil with sand. After removing the salt, seawater is used for irrigation. Farmers grow dates, melons, tomatoes, barley and wheat. Dairy farming is an important occupation of the rural people, the people living in the villages. Then people and their lifestyle. The discovery of the oil reserve has changed the lifestyle of the people. Oil reserves were discovered in 1930s. Before this discovery, most of the people were poor, but now their standard of living has improved. All modern facilities are available here. Towns and cities have developed rapidly. People work as executives, traders and workers. Many schools, colleges, hospitals and offices have come in Saudi Arabia. It has a huge amount of petroleum, which is also called the liquid gold. Even today, some people prefer traditional living. They move from place to place with their cattle and camels in search of green pastures. They are nomads and are called the Bedouins. They stay in tents made of camel or goat skin. They live very hard lives. They move in groups forming long rows of camels called caravans. People of Saudi Arabia wear traditional Arabian clothes. Men wear a long cotton gown called thawb and have a head covering called gudra. Women wear long robes called abba and cover their faces with veil. People speak Arabic. It is also the official language of the country. Islam is the official religion. Makkah, the holiest place of the Muslims, is in Saudi Arabia. It is the birthplace of Prophet Muhammad. Muslims from all over the world come here for Haji. Medina is another important place of pilgrimage. So children, what is the official language of people of Saudi Arabia? Arabic. And Islam is the official religion. Makkah Medina is the pilgrimage, and Haji Medina. Prophet Muhammad, it is the birthplace of Prophet Muhammad. Now we will talk about industry. Saudi Arabia is a very rich country. This is because it has plenty of oil reserves. Industries depending on oil include petroleum, petrochemicals and fertilizers. Besides iron and steel and cement industries, other industries are also developed. Almost the entire income of the country comes from the export of petroleum. Now, important cities. Saudi Arabia has a number of modern cities. Riyadh is the capital as well as the largest city in Saudi Arabia. It is a modern town with air-conditioned buildings. It has a number of vehicles, educational institutions, parks and markets. Jeddah. Jeddah is another popular city. The famous King Abdul Aziz International Airport is located in Jeddah. It is the gateway to the cities of Makkah and Medina. Now, which is the capital? What is the capital of Saudi Arabia? The capital of Saudi Arabia is Riyadh, and it is also the largest city in Saudi Arabia. And the next is another popular city is Jeddah, and it is also known as the gateway to the cities of Makkah and Medina. Now, government. We will talk about the government of Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia is a monarchy, means the king is the head of the government. The kings of Saudi Arabia have used the natural resources wisely, thus helping Saudi Arabia to become a prosperous country. Many Indians work in Saudi Arabia as doctors, nurses, engineers and teachers. What type of government Saudi Arabia has? It is a monarchy, that is, or king is the head of the government. Now, points to remember. Saudi Arabia lies in the Middle East. Saudi Arabia has a hot and dry climate. Makkah and Medina are located in Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia is a rich country. Saudi Arabia has plenty of oil reserves. Now, exercises. First come to exercise B, name the following. The two types of deserts. The two types of deserts are hot and cold deserts. The largest peninsula in the world, Arabian Peninsula. The holiest place of the Muslims, Makkah and Medina. The capital of Saudi Arabia, Riyadh. The gateway to Makkah and Medina, Jeddah. I am repeating these answers. The two types of deserts are hot and cold desert. The largest peninsula in the world, Arabian Peninsula. The holiest place of the Muslims, Makkah and Medina. The capital of Saudi Arabia, Riyadh. The gateway to Makkah and Medina, Jeddah. Now match the following. Tropic of Cancer, Saudi Arabia. Tropic of Cancer, Saudi Arabia. Camel, ship of the desert. Petroleum, liquid gold. Another name for petroleum is liquid gold. Then monarchy, government. Then exercise D, choose the correct option from the following. Saudi Arabia lies in Middle East. Oil reserves were discovered in 1950s, 1930s or 1990s? 1930s. Oil reserves were discovered in 1930s. The nomads of Saudi Arabia are called Bedouins. They are called Bedouins. The head of Saudi Arabia is the king. The head of the Saudi Arabia is the king. Now children, there is an activity. On the map of Asia, you have to locate Saudi Arabia. Then, collect and paste pictures of Makkah and Medina. These activities you can do. Now question answers. We will discuss, but I will send you these question answers in PDF. So you can note down from the PDF. Describe the location of Saudi Arabia. The location of Saudi Arabia is, Saudi Arabia lies, the answer is given on page number 38, second paragraph. Location and land surface. Saudi Arabia lies in the Middle East. It lies between the Red Sea and the Persian Gulf. It is also a part of the Arabian Peninsula, which is the largest peninsula in the world. Now come to second question. Write about the climate of Saudi Arabia. It is on page number 39, climate and vegetation. The climate of Saudi Arabia is extremely hot and dry. It hardly receives any rainfall. Whenever it rains, the water evaporates quickly due to the extreme heat. Strong and dusty winds blow at a great speed. Summer temperature reaches up to 54 degrees Celsius. However, the nights are cool and pleasant. In winters, the days are warm, but the nights are very cold. The coastal regions remains hot and humid. Now, how are farms developed in Saudi Arabia? Page number 40, third paragraph, economic activities. Farms have been developed by mixing soil with sand. After removing the salt, seawater is used. No, okay, the answer is farms have been developed by mixing soil with sand. Now come to next question. What is the other name of petroleum? The other name of petroleum is liquid gold. Name the official language and religion of Saudi Arabia. Children, the official language is Arabic and the religion is Islam. Saudi Arabia is a rich country. Why? Page number 41, third paragraph. Saudi Arabia is a very rich country because it has plenty of oil reserves. Industries depending on oil include petroleum, petrochemicals and fertilizers. Besides iron and steel and cement industries, other industries are also developed. Almost the entire income of the country comes from the export of petroleum. Now, write about Saudi Arabia's government. That is on page number 42, second paragraph. Saudi Arabia is a monarchy, that is, king is the head of the government. How did the kings help Saudi Arabia to become a prosperous country? Page number 42, same, second paragraph, third line. The kings of Saudi Arabia have used the natural resources wisely, thus helping Saudi Arabia to become a prosperous country. What is the answer? Page number 42, second paragraph, third line. The kings of Saudi Arabia have used the natural resources wisely, thus helping Saudi Arabia to become a prosperous country. Now children, the chapter is complete. As I have told you that I will send you question answers in PDF, question answer of chapter 6 as well as of chapter 7. Then you can note down from there question answers, and your homework is to, I have given book exercises verbally, I have told you. Now you have to note down yourself. Children, I am writing name the following on the board. If you can't, you can write from there. Name the following. I am writing on the board. It will be easy for you to note down. The two types of deserts answer is hot and cold deserts. Second, the largest peninsula in the world. Answer is Arabian Peninsula. Arabian Peninsula. The holiest place of the Muslims. Answer is Makkah and Medina. The fourth answer